2081 to 2022, you were head of the National Digital Twin Program. What, please, is the National Digital Twin Program?
So this was born out of a recommendation from the National Infrastructure Commission. They wrote a report called Data for the Public Good, which is a really good report, and the drive of that report is in the name. It's about using data for public good. And one of the recommendations in there, one of the key recommendations, was that as a nation, we should move towards having a national digital twin. And so they needed to get that established. That recommendation was accepted by Treasury, and a new centre had been set up in Cambridge called the Centre for Digital Built Britain. And so they gave the added responsibility to CDBB to drive this National Digital Twin Programme. And I became associated with that. I was appointed as the national champion for it. But what we had to do was kind of define what was meant by a national digital twin. And so what we headed towards was not one massive digital twin, one massive model of everything, but rather an ecosystem of connected digital twins. So as you're asking, what is a national digital twin? I think that the simplest answer is to say it's an ecosystem of connected digital twins.
Mm-hmm.
And the potential of it is amazing, because the whole idea is to make a connection between the digital and physical worlds. Digital twins are particularly good at that, but there's all sorts of other infrastructure which goes along with it, like data sharing infrastructure, a connection into AI and robotics and the metaverse. All of these are that kind of that zone which makes a connection between digital and physical worlds. Digital twins are particularly good in that space, but I would say that they're all part of this kind of set of connected approaches and technologies, which you can call cyber physical infrastructure.